Initial thoughts on the AWE track exhaust for the A4. Man, when you push it hard, Blair Automotive, I'll let you hear it when it has a sort of boy racer tone in that it's always there. AWE tells me that it will in time have some carbon buildup in the exhaust, which will help quiet it, make it a little less drony. And saying it's boy racer coming from the guy who drives the 1 Series because the 3 Series just wasn't sporty enough from him, and puts exhaust on all his cars. But it really is, if you just want to listen to music or cruise on the highway, or let me show you too what I mean. I hope you guys could hear that. But outside of moments like that, here, just trying to accelerate quietly with like a policeman next to you, it's always there. And I'm gonna hope it gets quieter. The good news is, and I may have another video, subscribe for it, I'll keep going with it. AWE makes a touring conversion pack, which can like help quiet the exhaust down. Because that sounds like that conversion would help, because it's really, the problem is, and in between 1,000 and 2,000 RPMs, where normally if you put the transmission in normal mode, it'll be fairly quiet, right? Even on a pretty sporty exhaust. With the track one, even there, it gives you a lot of growl. And it can almost border on drony. AWE is one of the best in the business. I wanted to put them in my BMW too. I have a review of that car and that exhaust coming soon, but they didn't make one for that model. The sounds of that one, I put it on my 4.2 liter V8 S5. Everyone commented on that exhaust, even people who didn't think they're powered with the V8. Even though I'd gotten it almost up to 400 horsepower, that was the commentary I got. It also has a third option, which is called Switchpath, which is really cool. It has a little button, which can basically turn it from the touring, the more quiet option, down to, up to the track. And if you just can't decide from watching their videos, or if you really do want to have that sort of, for lack of a better word, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde personality option for you. thoughts on the AMG. Initial thoughts on Look,
1 second.
to hit something, I think. I know what happened. We're good. Until next video, drive on.